This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the time format to either 12 hours or 24 hours in the Debian Linux operating system. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change your time format, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to my little system tray area. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to this little gear wheel here. I'm going to click on the gear wheel. Now in the dialog box that opens here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to scroll all the way down toward the bottom. And right here is date and time. You want to click on date and time. And right down here, time format, you could see I am set to the 24-hour time format. If you click that drop down, you could choose AM or PM, that is the 12-hour time format, or you could choose the 24-hour time format. That is how to change your time format in the Debian Linux operating system. Thanks for watching.